What's up everyone? It's been a while now and since I last posted a video online, but today it's gonna be a very short clip. As for I am going to a a small 86 group meetup, and thanks to Ikraam in the group where he is sponsoring some Koeksisters and coffees, maybe teas as well. So let's go. I have arrived. I think I'm a little bit early. They say meet at 10 o'clock. It's only what 9:23 now, so a little bit early. So I'll just wait here in the car for now. It's raining outside, so it's a little bit cold. And yeah, I can't wait for the Koeksisters and the coffee, and to meet the guys as well. Seems like majority of the guys are here. Check that lineup. 86ers, and then this side is even more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So far there's 9 86ers. So let's go for a run and see how these cars look.
That's good. Bitch, I moved through London with the Euro step. Got a sneaker deal and I ain't break a sweat.
Hey guys, some of you must be wondering why am I by Caltex, because this is one of the group members' family Caltex that they own, and I got my fair share of coffee and Koeksisters, so thanks to him. And there, everyone's having their own chats. Doing random chats and random talks. There's a few cars, two extra cars at the back there. A grey one, dark grey, and the orange at the back. You can see some music in the background and more chatting. Everyone's here, we're just maybe waiting for 1 or 2 people, and then we might go for a run. Unfortunately, I might not be able to make it, so I'll just have to say good luck to the guys. Need to go back to work, fortunately. Alright guys, so that was a really fun meet where I can get to meet a lot of new guys. Actually not new guys, but for me is new, because I actually haven't met the people that you see today, and this is the first time that I saw their cars. Some of them maybe once or twice on the road, but not like parking, and then everyone gets to like stand around and sit around and just chat about cars, and then just chit chat. It's very friendly, it's nice, the vibe is awesome. So I have to thank Iki in the group for organizing this event. It's a quick one. It's not like a very complicated one where we need to organize this and everyone needs to meet at this time, we have to leave at this time. But no, everyone starts to rock up very slowly, and by let's say what 15 past 10 and everyone was there. and we're just enjoying ourselves. We have some coffee. Thank you, Iki, again for the Koeksisters. It's very nice, and the coffee it's brilliant. Also the teas as well, and the Coke. Thank you very much. So yeah, I hope we can do this again. Maybe make it like a regular thing, monthly thing, or even like every 2 weeks or something like that. It's just chill vibe, 1 hour, 2 hour, or just sitting there chatting, and the experience that you get from the cars, what's been done, what actually happened, what can happen, how to prevent it, how to maintain it, and where you can buy the stuff, what you can do with it, and what's etc. The topic is endless. But also, before I go, I hope you guys can like my channel and subscribe, please. See ya.